Money face, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Let's get it, let's go. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And most definitely follow me on all the social media platforms, y'all. Links are in the description below. Smash that notification bell, that way you can stay up to date with what I have going on. And shop Major Nation Shop. Link is in the description. Don't forget that. All right, man, so we're going to get straight to it, y'all. I'm on the highway and trying to go get these blue cheeses, man. So, but cheeses isn't plural, is it? So I'm trying to go get this blue cheese, these blue faces, all right? But right now, man, I gotta run to my mom's. I gotta change her battery out. So I'm running to the battery spot first, grabbing 4 batteries, 1 for her, 3 for us for the business, and then I'm gonna go change this battery out for my mother, man. And then we're gonna keep it moving and grooving. So that's the first spot. And then I think, why is this dude? Look at these guys, man. They just jump, they just do whatever they want to do, man. They just jump in front of you. They don't care. They think they playing go-karts. We're not doing that, man. We're trying to get home alive. So yeah. So anyways, man, I am gonna do that, and then we're gonna rock, and then oh shit, I'm tripping. So the 2003 Toyota Corolla, man, I reposted that thing last night. Man, off the chain, man. Off the chain, man. That's all I can tell you, say to y'all. Like, that thing is popping. Like, I know it's sold. I got like 3 or 4 appointments set up for the day. I'm staying firm on my price, man, and I'm about to sell this joint today. Going home with some blue faces for sure. And if I don't, then y'all can go ahead and leave a thumbs down. But don't, because you make me sad. But anyways, let's get it, man. We on the road.
Woo! Sheesh! Taking over, taking off. It's smashing like it got the fast. Woo! 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 I'm up.
Excuse me. Hey, you. If you haven't already, smash the like button. All right, back to the music.
I'm up. We up. I'm up. We bang when we come through. We got a blue here.
Got the batteries locked and loaded, y'all. Got the side post joint, and then got the 3 batteries. So time to get it. Had to make a pit stop, man. Got to grab my titles from Odessa. So just pulling up now. As y'all can see, it's a whole bunch of dealers out here, and they are currently bidding on some cars up in this joint. And I am not, because they're gonna be buying a lot of messed up stuff in there. I ain't trying to be funny, man, but well, I mean, not necessarily. No, I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it, because they had some trash out here, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now look at this BS. New battery in, and what do we got? A stripped freaking nut. So what that mean? Now I gotta figure this out. Well, looks like so I'm taking this over here to Brian's. Maybe we'll have him fix it. I'm not about to deal with it right now, y'all, because I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. I gotta get out to the office. I got people hitting on this car. So like I said, man, it's just good to have good mechanics that's ready, or reliable mechanics, whatever, and have a network, build a network. That way, if things pop up, then you can kind of get squeezed in if possible. So I ended up duct taping the not even duct taping. I'm gonna show y'all when I get here. So I ended up taping the battery and the cable to the actual, the battery cable to the actual battery, and then kind of wrapping it around, and then that way it can stay a little bit firm. So hopefully I'm good. I'm about a couple miles out from Brian's right now. I'm trying not to go over any bumps, and then we can just get the stick to it so they can fix it, and then we can move on with the day, man. But this is just crazy, man. I had to show y'all this, man. So this is what I did to make it, man. That's how we do it. All right, everybody. So I got the my mom's car fixed. It needed a fuse for the radio, and then it needed just the end of the battery cable. So the battery was good. Unfortunately, I stripped the battery, or it was stripped already, whatever. So now I was just chilling, talking to Brian over here, the Kung Fu karate chopper, and Yeah, man, we got a leaking something, so he's about to pressure check this joint real quick and see what's going on. We had a puddle. I had a puddle out there. I'm gonna show y'all that, matter of fact, and then come back in. So luckily I was just sitting here. I was able to see that. So got to get that replaced. I'm not gonna drive the car with the coolant leak, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. So I'm gonna show you the little leak right now. This was just from like 10 minutes of sitting. So that's all coolant, y'all. It's all yellow. I'm not yellow, green coolant. I'm gonna go from there. So it's either the water pump or it's the radiator. Either way, I'm gonna get it done because you know this baby's staying with me. And I've officially driven this joint for 3,000 miles, so, and it saved me a lot of money, so it's been paying for itself already. It is the radiator, man. So I gotta get a radiator. I found one used for $65, but since I'm driving it, they said we probably should go new, which is probably what we should do. So they're gonna go check, well, Jay's checking on that right now for me to see how much the brand new one's gonna be. And then we are gonna try to get this thing done. So today is not going the way that I planned it to, but it is what it is, man. We're just keeping it moving. Radiator is out, as you guys can see. Here is the fan and the old radiator. So I'm trying to see where it was leaking from, guys. Well, somewhere it was leaking. So where this is like, basically this meets this is where it was cracked on one of these sides, and that is why it was leaking. So it is what it is. I'm just trying to get my car back on the road, make sure we're safe, man. Okay, guys, we are in my brother's Cadillac CTS right now, and this thing does roll, man. I like this interior. It's my first time actually driving one of these when I think about it. They obviously, it's at Brian's for a reason, y'all, so he's trying to get all these lights off of here. And he's basically waiting on a master cylinder, but it's got the pop-up deck or screen or whatever. It's got that leather interior. It's got that huge sunroof, man. That thing's huge. So this is dope, but that's not the reason why I'm tuning back in with you guys. I'm tuning in with you because I'm on my way to AutoZone right now. So I'm on my way to AutoZone. The reason why is not for the radiator, it's for transmission cooler lines. So we already got the radiator out. Everything's taken out to get to the transmission cooler lines. So he's gonna knock that out for me too. And obviously I'm replacing it because it needs to be replaced. It's already leaking. So I'm just trying to make sure that we keeping the maintenance up on this car, seeing that I'm gonna be driving it a lot. Y'all already can tell that because obviously I've driven it 3,000 miles in like a month already. I don't even think it's been a month. I think it's been about 3 weeks because I've been driving this thing. So just trying to keep, you know, this thing up to par, just like I kept the Tahoe up to par. And we don't want any breakdowns, especially with, as you know, as far as like how much we drive this thing and how much running we do as far as we drive. And yeah, you don't want those problems. So either way it goes, man, let's get on this road real quick and let's get to it. Boom. New radiator is here, and the transmission cooler lines are installed, y'all. As you can see, look at all that grime and oil. Let's see what it looks like when it's done. All right, y'all, so the radiator is in. I got the transmission cooler lines in. We are good. It's time to get on this road and on to the next, man. So I'm actually done working for today, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Another day, y'all, another dollar. So I got a couple appointments set up later on, y'all. One for the Impala, and then I did have one set up for the Equinox, but they ended up canceling on it already. But it is what it is, y'all. I'm pretty sure we're going to get something sold today. Also the Corolla, I got appointments, a lot of appointments set up for the Corolla, so we'll see what happens with that. Like I said, man, the internet's been going crazy about that Corolla. Then after that, man, not even after that, man, I got to get the Pacifica, got to get that oil change. I already got the windshield put on there, so that's ready to go in a sense. And then we also got to get that blinker bulb switched out. So I'm on my way out to the lot. Got to stop by the DMV. They got a whole bunch of paperwork for me to pick up. And we're just gonna keep it moving and grooving, man. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, I am at the lot, and it is time to get on the road that quick, man. I'm moving kind of fast today, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog every single dang thing, but the point is that I'm trying, man. So I'm on my way right now. I'm going out to Brian's. As you can see, the trusty van is right there. On my way out to Brian's, y'all, and I'm going to get this oil change, and then I gotta pay him for tomorrow. So, I mean, not tomorrow, yesterday. So I forgot to pay him yesterday, so I'm trying to get all this done. I got this 4:30 appointment set. It is actually 2:15 right now. So I got an hour to get there, get that done, and then that'll be straight. So that'll be 3:15, and as long as we back by 4, we good. Because as you guys have been watching the vlogs, you know that the Impala's at storage. So I'm gonna have to drop this Pacifica off and then hop in the Impala. And guess what we got? We got a brand new windshield, baby. Looking clean, man. This joint is like basically 95% complete, man. So that was a real quick turnaround as far as getting it ready to go. And yeah, man, so see you in a second. Oil change is done, y'all. Blinker bulb installed. Now it's time to get to it, man. So we running right on time. I got to go get this Impala from storage real quick and then meet the lady for the Impala, man. So trying to get this thing sold. Let's get some blue faces for the weekend. Actually, it's midweek right now, y'all. So if we sell something during the week, that'd be great, man. That just kind of gives you a momentum boost. But let's get to it. Okay, y'all, we are at the storage picking up that gray Impala, man. I'm gonna show y'all the interior for the new guys that are new to the channel. That's just a towel, y'all. Don't trip. Got me some of that Culver's, that old man food. But that's gonna be good. Nice interior, man. So I do not doubt that this thing is going to get sold. The lady seems very, very serious, so man, just waiting on it to happen, man. But let me let this thing warm up, and then we're gonna get to it and get this thing sold. All right, y'all, so I just pulled up to the lot, y'all, and my phone's going crazy. So I got somebody that wants to come out for the Corolla. As y'all know, we got somebody for the Impala. Somebody's hit me for the van. So that's what and then somebody hit me for the Ford Escape. So that's 4 cars. So they're talking about they're trying to find rides and all that. So if I can sell 4 in a day, that might be a new record. No, it's not. I sold 4 today by myself before. But if I can do 5, that'd be dope. But let's get it. Okay, guys, they just hopped in the car and they are pulling off. So let's see what happens. Blueface Wednesday, y'all. That's what today is. So as you can see, they are going and they are gone, man. So super happy about that. Corolla person should be here in about 30 minutes. And we are going to go from there, man. So let's just keep it moving and grooving. Toyota Corolla customer just pulled up, man. So they're driving that joint. They pulled up in a newer Corolla right there. And I'm just going to simply wait on them to pull back up. And so they can give me these blue faces and we can get on with the night, man. Let's get it. Money face, y'all. Gone. Now all you do is see that trusty van out there, man. So got that thing sold. Toyota Corolla. He didn't even haggle on the price. So I got that taken care of, and we sold the Impala, of course, man. So a successful day, Blue Cheese Wednesday, Blueface Wednesday, whatever you want to call it. It's Blueface every day, man. I'm just feeling real, real good, y'all. So don't mind me gloating just a little bit, but so that's done, man. I'm ecstatic about that, but the job isn't done. Y'all won't be able to see this process, but it's year end, y'all. So you know what that means. It's time to do the books, and that's what I've been doing. Also, I want to make an announcement, man. I might have to slow down, guys, on YouTube just for a week or two because I got to take care of the business on the other end. It's going to get real boring. But I'm still going to vlog for y'all. I'm still going to get y'all some updates and things like that. I might knock out some how-to videos, but this is usually the time of the year for me where I get slow on my day-to-day hustle, where I got to sit back and become that corporate dude, you know what I'm saying? So, so giving y'all kind of, you know, the whole circumference of being a car dealer, that's something you got to do. You got to file taxes. You got to do all this stuff, man. So enough of all that stuff, man. I got to get going. But I will see you guys tomorrow on another vlog. I do appreciate each and every single last one of y'all every single day. I'm going to keep on telling y'all that, man. And I appreciate you being a part of Major Nation. And smash the like button, notification bell, all that good stuff. I'm out. Peace.